How to earn passive income with dividend stocks. Stock News 2020. Do you like money? And do you like sleep? So why not both? Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. Let's start with a quote from one of the richest person in the world, which is Warren Buffett, and he's also a star investor. So he said, if you don't know how to make money while you sleep, you will work for the rest of your life. Oh yeah, and smash the like button. So here's a quick story. Well, actually it's not a story, it actually did happen. So last year in 2019, the CEO of Coca Cola received a salary of about 19 million US dollars. So that's roughly $1.5 million per month. And the Coca Cola company has about over 60,000 employees. Whereas Warren Buffett, he had about 18% stake of Coca Cola, and he received about 600 million US dollars on dividend. So there you can see the importance of being an investor. Share this video with family, friends, and other people who might be interested in generating or earning passive income. Of course, not every stocks pays dividends. You have to buy specifically dividend stocks to get dividends. One of the best dividend stocks that you can buy is Exxon Mobil stock. The ticker symbol of Exxon Mobil stock is XOM stock. And on the 21st August 2020, the stock price is $41 US. The market capitalization of Exxon Mobil stock is about 170 billion US dollars. So it is considered a large cap. And the P/E ratio is roughly around 24. So you could argue that it is fairly valued. It is just traded 24 times its earnings. Besides, the dividend yield is generously about 8%. So here's an example. If you want to get like 10,000 US dollars per month on dividends as a passive income, you would need to buy about $1,400,000 worth of Exxon Mobil stock. I would like to mention that I have about 100 videos on my YouTube channel, so there will be certainly some interesting videos for you. Just check out on my video description below, for example, the investing playlist. Any questions to this video, how to earn passive income with dividend stocks, Stock News 2020? You can also leave a feedback or comment in the video description below. Subscribe and see you next time.